You've got these people on your email list and they're hanging there for months and months and months, and no one is actually replying back to your email automations, or they are not asking you questions. No, they're just hanging around in your email list. Now, what do you do to get an interaction with them? Well, it's easy. There's 3 choices. And now listen up, okay? I'm going to be direct, okay? If you've got people that's been in your email list for, let's say, 2 months and upwards, delete them, because they're not going to do anything. They're going to lie there and keep your email list full. That's all. If you've got people that's been in your email list for about a month and they've asked you a couple of questions, that's the people that you want. Now, how do you nurture that? Well, instead of just overflowing them with emails that is spammy, work out the right type of email strategy that is actually going to communicate with them in your email list. And send them a newsletter once a week just to get some feedback and how they're feeling, how they're coping. Get to know them. Make sure when you send out your email automations that it's not sales pitch upon sales pitch upon sales pitch. You're not building your relationship. You're not nurturing your relationship. You are being pushy, and people are not going to do that. They are going to unsubscribe if you don't delete them yourself. So if you like these tips and you want to actually find out how to nurture your email list the connection way, not the salesy way, then watch the link in my bio, because there's a video that's going to show you exactly what you need to do for free.